It's not just about the beauty on the outside. As you can see, these are stunning. It's all about, at JTC, the formula of the products and how they perform on your skin. This wasn't about fixing a problem. The OG was great. It was about raising the bar, and we have done exactly that. We are all about moving with the times, and since we launched the OG Blush Duos, formulation tech has evolved. So we saw an opportunity to give you something even better than you could ever imagine. Something smoother, lighter, simply elevated in every way, not just from our beautiful and magnetic packaging, but also the ingredients in the formulas as well. With our blush duos, you get both a cream and a powder blush, as we did in the OG. So let's talk about the formula upgrades. With the powder formula upgrade, we have removed some ingredients, including liquid paraffin and kaolin, resulted in the product feeling a little bit heavier and more matte. And then we've replaced them with more modern, breathable ingredients, making it much easier to use because the product can be picked up easier on a brush and blends out a lot more seamlessly, giving you that soft focus finish that we all are obsessed with. In the new and improved formula, we have added dimethicone that adds a really silky glide to the skin, so no dragging on the face when you are blending it in. We've also added a touch of mica for a very soft, luminous look. Our OG ones were totally matte. These have a very, very, very soft pearl throughout them, so they don't add a glitter to your cheek per se, but they add a glow to the cheek, just to add a bit more life and dimension to the apples of your cheeks, where we always want it to look a little bit plumper. So that light reflecting mica does exactly that. We've also added magnesium carbonate, which keeps the texture really airy and doesn't feel too heavy on the cheek, and a touch of vitamin E to care for your skin. And also in the creams, despite the product being fantastic, some of the ingredients gave it a bit of a heavier, waxier feel, including castor oil and grapeseed oil, which just made it feel a lot heavier on the skin than necessary. And especially in warmer weather, it wasn't as comfortable as we wanted it to be on the face. So we rebuilt the formula with modern ingredients that you'll find in a lot of skin tint and complexion balms, making it super duper comfortable to wear. Added ingredients to the cream blush include hydrogenated polyisobutene, which adds a cushiony glide, again, no dragging on the face, caprylic for nourishment, and silica for that modern soft focus effect, resulting in a cream blush that lacks any greasiness and tackiness, but just adds beautiful flush look to the skin and feels super lightweight and easy to blend out. So what is the result of all these little tweakments that we have made to the formula? A rich colour payoff, buttery blending, and a finish that looks absolutely stunning on the face and is super long wearing, with no lifting and no patchiness, just a seamless, soft focus, flush of colour across your cheeks. This formula works with your base, not against it. It's so easy to use, absolutely foolproof, and we are so proud of all the upgrades that we have made to the JTC Blush Duo. This is not a new formula for the sake of change. It's a next generation version of a product that you already love, but reimagined to meet today's standards and where we see JTC rising to in the future. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these. They are launching on the 10th of October. If you're a little bit geeky and into ingredients lists like me, you'll notice that this formula is a lot smarter, a lot sleeker, and way more performance driven than our OG concept, but elevated to perfection, and you're going to be blown away.